line.
Yeah.
You put a stop right above it and do a short, and you're targeting lower for the rest of the week.
Yeah. And you would enter right here, you were saying? Or wait for that 60-83 touch?
No, you don't wait for the touch because at the touch it could go either ways. It's dicey. It's going to put you in a dilemma. So you open a
Yeah.
position right now, you take like a 5 point risk on the future, but you open the position on SPY and just short it.
Yeah. Here, let's
it
check out how the options are priced.
it's not a lot.
7 days out?
Yeah, 7 days out. It's a 5 point risk for maybe 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 point profit.
Yeah. They're pretty fairly priced 7 days out. But
So
puts are decently priced.
the risk reward is tilted towards short.
Yeah.
So I would short, I would buy puts. It's Monday, it's trying to set up for the week, and you let the momentum take over starting tomorrow and after. You can issue that as an official pick if you'd like.
Yeah, yeah. I'll put it up. Just let's see if I get filled right here. Have you taken any trades today or just letting the bot run pretty much?
I'm just letting the bot done do its thing.
How's it doing so far? Oh, a pretty slow day for the bot as well, huh?
No, it was okay. I had it off. I just turned it on.
Okay, okay. Nvidia key level right here, guys. 139.60.
Did you get a fill on that put?
Yeah, I got filled in at 240.
You can thank me when it's at $7.
Let's see. So those two levels, the 6083.25 and 69.25, are those your two zones, or is that something completely different?
No, 69.25 is a short entry,
Okay.
continuous short
Yeah.
entry.
Okay.
So if you're looking to enter short anywhere in that zone, you should enter short. There you go.
Okay.
That worked out. I Yeah, it's just going to resolve that way, in my opinion. ES simply needs to give up 72. It gives up 72. I think you're golden after then. And it should come right back down to over here 60, 60, right here. I should push it down there. And after then, the momentum takes over. So you kind of count on it and you just ride, right? So the hard work is right now is opening the position and staying in it and not getting carried away one way or the other.
Yeah, 100%.
So once it gets through 60, 60, after then you don't really have to think too much about it because the flow and the downward momentum will push it lower a lot faster.
Yeah. And it should technically pick up momentum as well. It's been pretty exhausted.
Yeah.
So once that momentum kicks in, though, those puts will. The premium expansion will be really nice on those.
Yeah.
Any other names you're watching, Rico? Besides the futures indices?
No, there's enough on there.
Yeah. What do you think of Tesla? Finally went for that 400 and rejecting so far.
Well, yeah, I mean, that was likely, right? Round numbers,
Yeah.
400. It's a target. I had that as a target, but not for this year.
Yeah.
It's in a rush to get there. Um, it depends. If you're holding Tesla, I wouldn't like sell it only because it's a really long-term play and it still has a lot of growth ahead of it. Um,
And this is from like a yearly perspective, right? Multi-year perspective.
correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So if you're short-term trading it, then yeah, you would have been selling 400 area. Anything above 390, you'd be selling it because you are anticipating a pullback down. Not as in downturn, just a pullback back to 300.
Yeah, just like a healthy correction, I would say.
Correct. Now look at your value of the puts now.
I'm not gonna look at them. Just leave the position on, Rico, as you said.
You don't want to get influenced.
Just gonna leave them open. Let it play out.
See, waiting for confirmations, overrated, highly overrated.
I mean, you get the precise entry if you wait.
Not the precise. You get an entry after a whole entire move is over. So your whole time changes significantly, right?
Yeah, that's true as well.
So you're short term trading it, in which case that first move was your money move.
Yeah, let's see how it plays out from here.
Well, NQ is going to be supporting it right here.
Yeah, and Q has support right here. I just looked at your chart as well.
Yeah, but I'm looking for acceleration coming
Get
into
it
the
down.
later half of the day,
Yeah,
right? So all of the supports that it has created, whatever work it did up until now, it needs to start breaking it down
yeah,
and get it going.
yeah. Let's see some follow through. It'll
Anybody
be
in the room take the short? I'll be right back, guys.
guys. If there's any names that you want us to review or take a look at, just drop them in the chat, and then we'll get around to them. Small cap, large cap, indices. Spy, I'm watching a 604.62. Well, if that level breaks and they build under, could see a nice pullback towards 600 psych. All right, we'll do AMD. They had a negative headline today, correct? If I'm not mistaken, let me double check. Yeah, the downgrades. Yeah, AMD. That's a pretty ugly chart. I don't see any upside on this one as of right now. Would need to see price confirm over 142. If price can reclaim 142 resistance level, could see a move towards 150 and then from 150 slowly towards 158, 160. Not in a straight line, but over time I would see that move coming towards 160. once we see the confirmation over 142.
I'm gonna short ES here.
Oh, what's your entry, Kayla?
71, 75.
71.75.
My stop is 74.
Yeah. And Q pretty close to breaking down right here as well. Yeah, app. Regarding app, it looks like it was running into the rumor that it was going to get added into the S&P. So on Friday, Workday instead got added. So today, seeing the results of that, so selling a bit. I could see a move towards 325, 310, and from there let price consolidate, digest that move, and could set up another long opportunity from there. Let's check out FedEx as well. I'm liking the price action in FedEx. This one could see a move higher into January over the holiday season. The daily and it needs to hold 278 support, which is the 50-day moving average. If you are interested in FedEx, I would take Commons right here with a stop below 275. Or if options, I can check out the option strike as well, how they're looking. Kaylon, are you watching this GDHG small cap?
No, I've been not trading small cap lately. Maybe next year. Busy. GDA, China. NQ, if it keeps rejecting 96, 97, I'm gonna short it too. All China name will be strong. So GDAG, like if it can volume, if it just need volume, it can push. Just need little volume here.
Coinbase looks like it wants to test 310 support. Might slowly just drift down there. 310 support, and then if 310 fails to hold, the next support level I have is around 306, 307. And then also regarding AMD, Avgo is reporting this week that plays a huge role in the semi industry in the sector. So it could be worth watching after that earnings is out of the way. QQQ trying to build under the support or resistance level I have now, 522.90. IW are pretty interesting price action today, trying to hold.
Yeah, market is
Yeah, the market is very slow right now.
yeah, it's in that. It needs to.
Yeah.
I add my target for ES is 60-50. If it can give me 60-50, maybe
Yeah.
later today, but it's kind of holding. So that's the
It bounced off
yeah.
60-50 earlier today, right?
No, no 60 60s, no
60.
65. I want. So this has been happening. Like after a big move, it will just get stuck in a range. So
Yeah, everything is very slow at the moment.
yeah,
But thing is, if they fail to hold these levels, we're going to set up for a pretty aggressive move downwards.
yeah. The thing is, like right before, like it should have tested low by now for me. That's where what's getting like that last 672 break. It should have at least tested low, but it's now holding. So that's where I have to be careful now.
Yeah,
What are we doing?
just talking about the indices.
Uh,
Yeah, Kayla was saying it's pretty slow price action.
yeah, I know. That's why I go to the other stuff.
For me, the last break, like 72 break, it should have tested at least 64 by now. So now it's again it reclaimed again that 72 level. So I'm out. from the short.
Yeah, the price action has been fairly slow, I would say, over the last 3, 4
Yeah.
session trading
So
session.
now it is ES is also is again back in that 72 to 79 range, 80 range basically.
Yeah,
That's what I don't like. I don't like when it is in that range. So let's see.
yeah, it'll probably pick back up in 30, 40 minutes.
I yeah, let's see.
Google, Apple, Microsoft, all three of those names holding up pretty nicely. The ideal price action, if you're short right now, would be to see those lows taken out of today. Could see an aggressive move downwards once those lows are taken out.
Well, or you could have multiple accounts go short on options and keep trading, cover your exposure through the futures. Go
Yeah.
both ways.
Oracle reporting earnings today after hours. That could be worth watching. Oracle, MDB, AI.
You're sitting on my headphones.
AMD, pretty ugly price action. Rico, what do you think of this one? There were some comments earlier for AMD.
AMD.
Yeah.
One moment. You already have that?
That's pro, so I can go for runs and stuff without a 5 pound thing on my head.
No, that stuff is bad for your ears.
What is this?
That's not bad for your ears.
All right, you're on something.
So it looks like AMD is at a trend line, but I also don't like I don't know, for whatever reason, that company has not really taken off as much as it should have in this whole semiconductor run. So I don't know why.
Yeah. I mean, for the semiconductors, I feel like the main three companies are just Nvidia, Broadcom, and TSM.
Yep,
Those are the three where everyone should be focused for semis.
correct. So then why look at AMD?
Yeah.
You have more options up there.
There were also some chart requests for App, FedEx, and Coin, Rico, if you want to go over those.
App, I
Yeah,
used
App
to
11.
APP.
Yeah, APP.
I used to like that company.
It's a great company, man. Look at the trend. Look at that monster move it's made.
I used to own that for like $50 at some point. Holy cow!
Yeah.
There's nothing to tell you about that. I mean, it's just parabolic. So
Yeah.
you cannot really do a play on a parabolic curve. It's because if you put anything on it, sure it will work, but it can also come all the way back down to 127.
Yeah. I think the comment was more for the chart analysis were requested more towards like the shorter term.
Okay, let me
And
go there.
maybe like a 1 to 2 weeks outlook.
Okay, thank you. 2 weeks outlook. So there's 10 days. In 10 days. If you're looking to buy it, you should be buying it at 321.
Yeah, 321. That's what I was thinking as well.
Um, yeah,
I believe I said around 325 support is where I would look to start scaling into longs. But right here, there I don't see any trade opportunity right here. It's just in the middle. It's like it's a no trade zone at the moment. And there was also FedEx Rico.
yeah. 1 second. I'm still on app.
Yeah.
I'm personally not getting into this company right now. At
Into
this,
app?
I wouldn't.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that I'm bearish on it, but I don't like. After a long time, it's looking to range, and if it starts ranging, then why? Let's see. Looking
The
at the
chart
different.
reminds me a bit of a SMCI when I had that monster move a
Yeah.
while back. Pretty similar charts.
If you want to really buy something, I would buy it either 321 or 315, one of those two.
Yeah, I agree. I'll respond to his comment in the chat and let him know about that as well. I think
And
earlier you were
FedEx.
stepped out, but I gave a similar analysis.
Oh, nice. FedEx.
So CNQ now is pushing towards 520 from that 82. So that's what it's been doing. I mean, it's good for the range trader, but not good for momentum traders. Like, I know Rick can trade this, but for me, like, Rick is really good at these.
I love these. No, the longer term call is Kellon, you might be out. I'm looking for a down move this week from here without breaking 83. If it
I mean,
breaks 80,
market pretty. I, I, I mean, it's been on a roll, so it needs kind of So see, like it's from December 4 to till now, it's been in that range. So it might. I was hoping for 60-50 today on ES, but again, like I don't like the way it keeps like trading in the range. It's like last once when the last 72 when it break last 72, it should have came down, but now again, yes, again between the 72 to 80 range. But yeah, I agree with you. It's pretty. It looks like down move is coming. So let's see.
Baba, some more call flow coming through today.
Looks like
Buyers for
NQ is gonna
January
test
24th.
NQ is gonna test 520. So
Yeah. 524.50 is the high today, right, Frank?
yeah, close to that, yeah. And I should just start trading in the range, become a range trader.
You're gonna start have to.
Yeah, because market has
The
been
way the
doing good.
market is going.
Yeah, there will be one big move, and after that, it will be in a range, and then I knew it's gonna once it break and reclaimed. I knew it's gonna test 520, but it's when your bias is like it's gonna go down, you don't feel like you know going long. But yeah, there you go. NQ testing 520s.
You were long originally on ES, right? Or you were short? What was
I
that?
was short on ES.
Short?
I was up
Yeah,
three
yeah.
point,
You
but I
stopped
didn't.
out, or did you end up
Yeah, I
reversing?
stopped out. I didn't. I wanted to it to at least test lows, but that once it reclaimed that 72, I got out. I'm watching this NQ if it can break 520 and hold it. It might test 70s. So just watching it.
Yeah, Tesla trying to gain some strength as well right here, picking up some momentum.
There you go, 520s. What did I say? Damn, should have went long there. It's what 82 to what 20, almost 40 point.
Apple gaining some strength as well right here. 247.25 key level on Apple. Pretty close.
So if you were long, just book some here and leave a runner because if it breaks here, it can go higher. So always leave a runner.
Really liking the price action in Google. It's setting up for a swing trade possibly right here. NQ work trying to reclaim the EMA trend line right here as well on the 10-minute time frame. Reddit holding pretty nicely from the morning dip. Disney looks like it might want to retest 112. If it rejects 114.50, you could possibly try 112 puts on that move. Pretty cheap. NQ trying to reclaim that trend.
What did I say? NQ. It's been on trend, and also yes, testing that 80. It's the market for the range traders, man. Trust me. Look at this. Yes, from that 72 to now 80.
Yeah, I could see a pop back up towards VWAP as well from here. It's possible.
For me, like once it reclaimed that 72, it's a easy long there.
Yeah, slowly coming in towards Rico's level as well. If you look at his chart, the bottom left for NQ. Read it back over pre-market highs.
So now look for ES. If it fails this for a short opportunity, needs to fail and console like basically close below 80s.
Yeah, ES looking a bit better right here. Nice bounce so far. Big level right here for ES.
It's a sell for the ES, guys.
Yeah, if it keeps rejecting 80, yeah.
Anybody sell?
Yeah, I got my points exited right here.
Ready?
It's just too slow for me, man. Just getting a few points scalping in and out. It's not worth holding it in my eyes. Yes, getting closer to that 83.25 level, Rico, that you have. $83.25, right above VWAP.
Do you hear that sound?
Yeah, what is it?
That's like bets working.
That's the options binary thing that you're
Yeah,
talking
it's a binary thing. Every
about?
time you hear that, it's making money.
Man, I'm just curious, man. What are you doing right now? What are
Yeah,
you betting on?
I don't know. You pick any market. It doesn't really matter what market. Uh, right now, I think I picked euros and USD,
Yeah.
right? And I set it for a 5 second timer. If I'm right in 5 seconds, the price just has to be up or down based on my entry for 5 seconds. That's it. If it is, you make money. You watch this. There you go. There you
What's the platform? I'm gonna check this out.
go. Oh, it is hysterical. It is funny. I just do this for fun.
Market is looking good, guys. It's holding 80. So
Yeah. I'm curious how price reacts to that 83.25 level that Rico has.
No, it'll move up. Once it breaks 83.25, we're up. We're
Yeah.
going up.
Let's see how we react from there.
I said, like, if 520 hold, it can test a 570. It's moving towards 570 now. NQ.
Yeah, market's trying to heat up right here. Yeah, heating up. Let's see if we get some follow through to the upside. UNH getting a pop right here. Looks like they caught the shooter.
How's that going to help the stock?
I don't know, but it's popping. Yeah, volume's coming into this one. Nvidia continues to hold the 50-day moving average. Good signs on that.